Ever wondered how to transfer your WhatsApp chat history on iPhone? Well, today is your lucky day. This video will guide you through the process, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps. Transferring WhatsApp chat history from one iPhone to another is actually a straightforward process, especially when the steps are laid out as they are in this video. So sit back, relax, and let's unravel this digital mystery together. Step 1. Ensure both iPhones are fully charged. A power interruption during the process can lead to data loss, and nobody wants that. Step 2. Back up your WhatsApp chat history on the old iPhone. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap on Chats, then Chat Backup, and finally hit Backup Now. This will store your chat history on iCloud. Step 3. Verify that you're using the same Apple ID on your new iPhone as the one used to back up your chat history. To do this, go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name at the top, and check the Apple ID displayed. Step 4. Install WhatsApp on your new iPhone. Simply visit the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and hit Install. Step 5. Once installed, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. Remember, it must be the same number used on the old iPhone. Step 6. After verification, a prompt will appear asking if you want to restore chat history from iCloud. Tap Restore Chat History and voila! Your WhatsApp chats will begin to load onto your new iPhone. So there you have it, 6 simple steps to transfer your WhatsApp chat history on iPhone. To recap: first, ensure both iPhones are charged. Second, back up your chats on the old iPhone. Third, verify the same Apple ID is used on both phones. Fourth, install WhatsApp on the new iPhone. Fifth, verify your phone number on the new WhatsApp. Lastly, restore chat history from iCloud. Remember, technology is there to make life easier, not harder. With this guide, you are now equipped with the knowledge on how to seamlessly transfer your WhatsApp chat history from one iPhone to another. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy tech tips. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and share it with friends who might also need it. Thank you for watching.